Atmos. So I think we have Robbie Mickelson with us. Hi,
Yes. Hi,
Robbie. How
Kathy.
are
Hi.
you?
Doing great. Thanks. How are you?
Good. Thank you. Nice to see you again today. Recently, my husband Mike and I found Atmos Financial online, and Mike and I were intrigued to see that Atmos's motto is "Changing your bank can help fight climate change." Can you explain what Atmos is, Robbie?
Yes. Thanks, Kathy. And thanks you and Mike for opening accounts with us. Um, so what people don't understand is that banks use our money to fund whatever they want. And the biggest banks, as you can see here, since the Paris Climate Accords have continued to fund to the orders of more than $1 trillion, extreme fossil fuel extraction. This has been in the Arctic drilling, the Canadian tar sands, coal plants, etc. And what Atmos is we're a digital bank. So we're a software startup, and we partner with regulated banks. So we offer FDIC insured savings and checking accounts. And we only use that money for climate positive activities like funding solar panels, heat pumps, and soon, no home loans just yet, but those are coming probably next year to Kathy in the question. And also regenerative agriculture. And we want to help provide funding. And right away, we are giving 5% cash back on all of the the nurseries that are on the tour website, the garden tour website. So if you go there and you use your Atmos debit card, we will give you 5% cashback rewards for shopping there versus one of the big box nurseries.
All right. Well, Atmos has a terrific video. Why don't we go and watch that, and then we'll come back and ask some more questions of Ravi.
Sounds good.
Where you bank matters. Every day, your bank makes choices about how to spend your money. Those choices probably aren't the same that you'd make, like putting your money toward loans for fossil fuels, factory farming, or fast fashion. Without even realizing it, your money is funding climate change. Atmos was created to provide each of us with a vote for what our money funds. Because we believe that your money can and should create the changes you want to see, helping us move towards a cleaner environment and a fair and transformed economy. Where you choose to bank may seem like a small decision, but it matters.
Well, I've watched that video a number of times, and I love it really, because when Mike and I saw it, well, we'd never thought about what our money was doing when it was in our banks. And when we realized that our money could be used to be funding anti good climate activities, we were just horrified, really. And we love the idea that our funds could be deposited in Atmos and be used to fund solar power and wind energy and things that we believe in.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it. And just like every 100th of a degree of warming that we stop matters with climate change. Every dollar and 1/10 of a dollar that we move away from funding fossil fuels gets us to that goal. So thank you.
Well, and we also love the idea, as it said in the video, that like when we're sleeping or whatever we're doing, like our money is working for good. I wanted to say that Mike and I have opened an account with Atmos. We hope that you will too. You'll find a link for Atmos at bringingbackthenatives.net. If you use that link when you open your account, Atmos will make a donation to the tour. And Ravi, are you able to stay with us on Zoom and answer some questions online?
I am, and I also dropped that link and my email into the chat. And yes, Hope, we're based in Berkeley, and our team is mostly scattered throughout the Bay, and then we have a few additional people around the country.
It was exciting to us to realize that even though you are a national organization, that you actually are based here in Berkeley. We were very excited to realize that.
Yeah, exactly. It's great to be here, and this is really the hub and the point of the spear driving change forward. So thank you for having me, and I will be in the chat to answer questions, and we'll respond via email if somebody has a question later too.
Thank you so much, and thanks for starting Atmos. It's a great idea.
Thank you so much. Take care. Bye, everyone.
100% of Atmos's deposits are invested in positive climate activities. They give 5% cash back if you have an Atmos debit card, and the native plant nurseries are all listed as companies that if you shop there, you'll receive a 5% cash back benefit. Are your funds safe? Yes, they are FDIC insured up to $250,000, just like at any bank. They have a good savings interest rate. The base rate is 4%, but if you commit to
0.4%, Kathy.
so
I just want to make sure. Yeah, 0.4%. But if you make a donation to any one of our 50 plus climate nonprofits, we'll double that to 0.8%, which may not seem like a lot, but it is, one of the top almost 5 to 10 out of all 12,000 banks and credit unions in the country right now. So just make any donation of any amount, $1, $5, $10 to any one of our 50 plus climate nonprofits, and we double that rate to the 0.8.
So thank you very much. And I hope that you do check Atmos out.